Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 164 or Mutilation of Coins, Importation, and Utterance of Mutilated Coins. Mutilation of Coins, Importation, and Utterance of Mutilated Coins. Under Article 164, mutilation of coins, importation, and utterance of mutilated coins is committed by any person who mutilate coins of the legal currency of the Philippines or import or utter mutilated current coins or in connivance with mutilators or importers. Ano nga ba ang mutilation? Mutilation in this article means to take off part of the metal either by filling it or substituting it for another metal of inferior quality. Example, bubutasan mo yung coin or babawasan mo ng metal niya or kakaskasan mo. Na-discuss na natin kung ano ang importation at utter or utterance sa Article 163. Check our previous video. Sa article na ito, may 4 elements. First, coin mutilated is of legal tender or legal currency of the Philippines. Second, offender gains from the precious metal thus abstracted from the coin. Third, it has to be a coin. And fourth, in connivance with the mutilators or importers. I-discuss natin bawat element. First element, coin mutilated is of legal tender or legal currency of the Philippines. Na-discuss na natin kanina kung ano ang mutilation. Ngayon naman, yung legal currency or legal tender. Ano nga ba itong legal tender or legal currency? Ito yung pera na kayang magbayad ng utang o kayang ipagbili o bumili ng gustong bilhin. Ito yung mga perang ginagamit natin ngayon. Old coins not in circulation ay hindi na kasama dito kasi wala na itong power to purchase. I-discuss na lang natin yung ibang details ng legal tender on a separate video. Dito sa first element, sinabi din dito na legal currency of the Philippines. So mga foreign currencies ay hindi kasama sa article na ito kahit legal tender siya. Second element, offender gains from the precious metal thus abstracted from the coin. Dito na po mismo papasok yung mismong act ng pag-mutilate. Pag tinatanggalan kasi natin ng precious metal, thus ang isang coin, nagiging inferior yung intrinsic value ng coin. Third element, it has to be a coin. Paper bills po ay hindi included. Ang pagsira ng paper bills ay pinaparusahan ng Presidential Decree No. 247. PD 247 punishes the act of destruction of money issued by the Central Bank of the Philippines. So, it's either a coin or a paper bill. Acts punishable under PD 247 are the following: willful defacement, mutilation, tearing, burning, and destruction of central bank notes and coins. Fourth element, in connivance with the mutilators or importers. Ang liable po sa article na ito ay any person, pero dapat kasabwat niya ang mutilators or importers. Paano naman kung hindi niya kasabwat yung mutilators or importers? Dito po papasok ang Article 165, which we will be discussing in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.